Hey guys, been a while since I created a video, and I thank you all for the support you gave us on my last video. But I'm just creating this video because I have a bit of a problem that I need your help with. I'm creating a LEGO Digital Designer Steam engines. Well, they originally were sets, but they're in Digital Designer, so I modified them. You see, with that one and another one. Yeah, whole army, if you can see. But one of the troubles I'm having is, since LEGO Digital Designer's website isn't around anymore, or I can't download any more trains. But so I just want to ask this very quick question to you viewers. For those who still have LEGO Digital Designer and still use it, do you think you can send me, like, downloads of, like, your certain trains? Like, you can send me your trains in, like, I have a Facebook account, or you can place them in my YouTube comments. Because I need more steam engines. And I will eventually try and get them and build them, so yeah. So I just need your help. Thank you.